Finally going to clean the chain for the first time in forever. Step 1, put the bike onto a stand. Something like this works really well. And then take the rego sticker off, take the chain guard off, because it's pretty grotty. So it was screwed into here, in through there, and just here. Okay, so now, the fuck? So now we start spraying. Oh yeah, make sure it's in neutral so you can spin the wheel. Otherwise you won't get very far. Ugh, so much build up. Ugh. These are the products I've got. Brutal chain clean. Feels cheap. So we do that first, clean it. Then we go multi-purpose penetrant lube. Ooh, sounds exciting. Maxima stuff. And then we use chain wax. Also Maxima stuff. Okay, so you meant to let it dry for 5 minutes. Hope they'll put enough on. Really have no idea. Oh, it burns my eyes looking at it that close. There we go. Old toothbrush. Just to try to scrub all the shit off. Also required. Colgate 360 power. Fucking hell, this is going to take a millennium. Ugh. Colgate. So yeah, hopefully that's got most of the shit off or loose. So I'm gonna try hose it off and see what happens. This time I will leave it for 5 minutes. This shit is good for cleaning your hands. Play some games while waiting. Oh, wasn't looking. Get bored of games. Continue waiting. Yeah. A toothbrush. It's got hair. Oh. that done. Next up's this one, because it's meant to displace moisture. That's the plan. That was heaps, by the way. Shouldn't really need to leave that on for long, I think. It just says to chuck it on. Needs a white rag. Why not? It's just not shit. 2. Clean all the excess shit off. And there you go. Okay, this actually shows where you should spray it. It's got a little nozzle thingy, like most things do. Let's do it. So spray heaps, but avoid oversaturation. That might be a bit too much. Yeah, way too much. I think it's a much happier chain now. There you have it. That one. It looks much prettier. It's no longer black. So as you can see, there is a bit of a residue left. I don't know if I've put enough or not enough. I think the chain's pretty fucked. I might just replace it. But hey, it was still fun. So what happens when you have low maintenance? I mean, no maintenance. Shit like this. That can't be good. Oh, yeah, put the bits back on.